Welcome to this training video where we'll guide you through use of injection pens featuring Unifine SafeControl safety pen needles. Before you begin, be sure you have verified the healthcare provider's order, including the correct drug strength, dose, correct patient, and any other pertinent patient-specific identifiers. And be sure to check the expiration date of the pre-filled injection pen. It's important to remember to always use a new needle with every injection and never store the injection pen with the needle attached. Injection pens are intended for single patient use only and are not to be shared between residents. And never use a syringe to draw insulin out of an injection pen cartridge. Most insulins are clear and should be free of particulate matter. Never inject an insulin that has an altered appearance. Now, some intermediate and long-acting insulins like Humulin N and Novolin N are cloudy and require mixing prior to use. Gently roll the pen 10 times between your palms and invert 10 times to mix. New insulin and non-insulin therapies appear on the market every year, so be sure to always review the pen manufacturer's instructions for use. Let's get ready to inject. Wipe the rubber septum of the injection pen with an alcohol wipe and allow it to air dry completely. Remove the protective seal on the safety pen needle and screw the needle straight onto the pen until you meet resistance. Don't over-tighten. It's very important that you prime every time you inject. Priming the needle removes unwanted air bubbles to ensure a full dose is administered each injection. Priming will also ensure both devices are attached and functioning properly. To prime, leave the cap on and dial the dose indicator up 2 units, then press the injection button. You should see a couple drops of insulin start to emerge from the needle. If not, repeat. And if after several attempts you don't see insulin, there may be a connection issue or a device malfunction. Refer to your injection pen instructions. Let's deliver this medication. Select a suitable subcutaneous injection site. Recommended sites include the lower abdomen, upper thighs, or back of the arms. Avoid injecting directly into open wounds or scars and pick a new site with each injection. Once you've found an appropriate site, clean with an alcohol wipe and allow it to air dry. After cleansing the site, verify the dose on the order and dial the desired amount on the dose indicator. Now, this isn't just any safety pen needle, it's Unifine SafeControl. It was designed based on feedback from healthcare professionals who wanted to be absolutely certain the needle was making contact with the skin for a successful injection. That means, unlike pressure-activated devices, Unifine SafeControl doesn't require extra force to activate. Gentle pressure is all it takes. Once the device is flush against the skin, you know it's ready to deliver subcutaneously. Simply press the injection button to release the insulin and hold the pen in place for up to 10 seconds after the pen dial has returned to 0, or in accordance with the pen manufacturer's instructions. Doses may not be fully administered if devices are removed from the skin prematurely. With Unifine SafeControl, the same technique can be used on all patients. No pinch-up or alternative techniques are required regardless of skin type, weight, or age. A wide range of needle lengths are also available, including 4mm for thin or pediatric patients. Now it's time to lock away the needle. With Unifine SafeControl, you control the needle shield. That means you don't have to worry about premature safety shield activation. As you remove the needle from the skin, use your thumb to slide the safety shield forward. When you hear a click and see the orange indicator, you know that needle is safely secured and ready to be disposed of in a suitable sharps container. Your patient's pre-filled pen can now be stored and reused. But remember, each pen is intended for a single patient and shouldn't be shared. Most in-use insulin pens may be safely stored at room temperature for up to 28 days. However, some products may differ. Always verify storage requirements by referring to the package insert. It's important to ensure both the sharps container, the injection pen, and pen needles are out of reach of children or pets to avoid accidents. Unifine SafeControl is made by Owen Mumford. For over 70 years, our mission has been to deliver products that make a world of difference to a world of people, helping to improve quality of life for patients with diabetes and other chronic conditions. Unifine SafeControl is stocked by all major drug wholesalers and med-surg dealers, making it readily available for pharmacies and facilities throughout the U.S. For more information on our products and services, check out our website at owenmumford.com.